So hey everyone, in this video gonna discuss how you can check the password of connected or saved Wi-Fi network in your smartphone. By this method you can check the password of the saved Wi-Fi network in your smartphone, like you once connected your Wi-Fi and then forgot about the password. So by this method you can recover that password. So all you have to do is to open the Wi-Fi settings. Likewise, if I am connected here with this Wi-Fi network, all I have to do is to go to the I button over there. Once I click on this, you can see an option of Wi-Fi QR code on the top of the list. Click on this option. You can see a Wi-Fi QR code will appear in front of you. You can scan this QR code by other smartphone, or if you want to check the password, you need to take a screenshot of this Wi-Fi QR code. And once you take the screenshot of QR code, you need to scan this QR code via Google Lens, or you can use any third-party application as well. While you scan the QR code, you need to click on this, and here you see all the details of the connected Wi-Fi. You can see it's the Wi-Fi network name, password and network type as well. So by this method you can check the Wi-Fi password of connected Wi-Fi or saved Wi-Fi in your smartphone. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.